In this video, we are going to see how we can print any document in Canva. For the sake of example for this video, I have taken an example that we have inserted an invoice and we want to take the printout of this. So what we do is just click on share from the top right hand corner. And what I would recommend you to do is, if you see here, you don't get a direct option to print until and unless you are in educational or pro version. So what I recommend you in this case is you just click on download and select the PDF print, which is best for printing as it is recommending here. You can see, just select this, and I will not really make any changes here. If you want, you can make it according to your requirements, but let's click on download and actually save the download settings for later on if you want to print multiple files like this. So once it is downloaded, it will be shown here. You can rename it obviously, and then let's open up this PDF. Now guys, my default viewer for the PDF documents is Microsoft Edge. So if your document is opening in some other application, I would really recommend you to just right click, open with Microsoft Edge. It's a really good browser without much of a hassle. You don't need any external software basically. So this is my view. And what I'll do is just click on the print from here. And now however you want to set it, you can see that it is showing an exact proper view of it. You can just select the relevant printer. In my case, let's say this is the printer. Click on portrait and you can specify how many pages do you want to print off. Click on save, or in your case, it will show the print option. Let's say this. Let's click on print. And this is how you can easily print this document. I don't have the printer connected right now, but that's how you do it. So just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.